Hi, I'm Marie Stubbs. Welcome to my channel, Fit for 80, because I'm going to be 80 soon. A few people have asked me if I've been doing this all my life, and the answer to that is no. I think it's never too late to start doing a bit of exercise, and you can do a lot of the things I do in quite a simple way if you want to start. Plenty of advice around for that, and as you can tell from the red lippy and the earrings, I quite like to dress up when I'm doing my exercises, so I'm not a nerd at all. But I just hope that I can get a bit fitter, as we all can, by doing a few things. And today I'm going to work on my legs and my arms. So I'm going to do some tricep dips. I'm going to do some mid-rows using the black and green straps. And I'm going to do some lunges. Then I'm going to use the dumbbells to help with my arms. So I've already done a warm-up on my bicycle for a few minutes, and then after I've done this set of exercises I'll probably have a rest for a while, have a drink of water, and then I'll keep going to see how many times I want to do them all. So you do get used to this, and it is quite good fun in a way, and it keeps you fit. Here I go, tricep dips times 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to do my TRX using this TRX type green and black strap. Do some squats, good for the legs, and I'm going to be doing 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to do my lunges. Get myself lined up here, and again it's 5 each leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now my dumbbell curls using these little dumbbells. And again it's 8 of these. Turning them as I come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to do another set of those, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are my 4 exercises for today. So have a little rest for a moment, as I said. So if you've enjoyed my video, Fit for 80, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. Always useful to know what people think. And you can check my Instagram account, which is in the description box below. Happy fitness from Marie. Bye.